Quantower versus Tradovate. Which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you manage your trades without unnecessary complexity. Quantower offers advanced tools, while Tradovate focuses on cloud-based simplicity. Quantower and Tradovate are two popular trading platforms with distinct approaches. Quantower is a powerful multi-asset desktop platform emphasizing customization, while Tradovate is a cloud-native platform designed for easy access and modern futures trading experience. Quantower is a professional desktop trading platform supporting multiple asset classes, including futures, stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. It works by connecting directly to various brokers and data providers, allowing traders to customize their workspace with advanced charting, order management, and algorithmic trading features. One of its key strengths is flexibility, offering a modular interface and support for multiple data feeds simultaneously. Quantower also integrates with popular brokers and provides tools like market depth, DOM, and smart order routing. However, its complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and being desktop-based means it requires installation and regular updates. The platform suits active traders and professionals who need deep market insight and advanced customization options to optimize their trading strategies. Tradovate is a modern cloud-based futures trading platform that emphasizes simplicity and accessibility. It operates entirely in the browser or via mobile apps, eliminating the need for software installation. Tradovate offers commission-free trading with subscription plans and supports futures markets with features like advanced charting, automated trading, and social trading tools. Its strengths lie in its intuitive interface, seamless updates, and collaboration features that appeal to traders looking for flexibility without technical overhead. However, Tradovate focuses primarily on futures and may lack the multi-asset support that Quantower provides. While it may not offer as deep customization or advanced order types, it is ideal for futures traders who want a straightforward, cloud-native platform that can be accessed anywhere with reliable speed and modern tools. Quantower excels in providing a powerful, customizable desktop experience for multi-asset traders who value advanced analytics and multiple data connections. It's perfect for those who trade across different markets and need granular control. In contrast, Tradovate offers a cloud-based platform focused on futures traders who prioritize ease of access and low-cost trading without sacrificing essential features. While Quantower demands more setup and technical knowledge, it rewards users with deeper functionality. Tradovate's subscription model and browser access make it ideal for traders seeking mobility and simplicity. The trade-off is between Quantower's comprehensive desktop-centric power and Tradovate's streamlined cloud-first futures trading approach. Choose Quantower if you require advanced multi-asset trading tools and customization in a desktop environment for professional-grade market analysis and execution. Opt for Tradovate if you prefer a cloud-based platform focused on futures trading with easy access, low commissions, and a modern interface. Both platforms serve different trader needs, so select the one that fits your trading style and market focus best.